Guys, look, you build your experience in with several methods, right? Obviously, your own trading is where you start. So you place a trade and you're living through that trade going forward from the time you enter until the time you make your last act of exiting. That's experience that you just built, right? So there's the forward way of building experience. But if you were to just do that, just build your experience entering a trade and exiting your trade, entering a trade and exiting your trade, your journey is much longer because it takes a long time to build experience trade by trade like that. Now, if you then later take that trade and you journal that trade, which is nothing more than just redoing the trade on a chart, okay, on a piece of paper, on a chart. Mark up where you entered, how many shares, where your mental stop was it maximum stop, was it event-based stop, where did you add and how many shares, and where did you adjust your price and when, and just basically do a visual representation of your trade, not of what you should have done, what you did, okay? And what that does, that reliving of the trade actually turns that experience into two experiences. It's almost magical. And so you are cutting your journey toward reaching your experience threshold faster, cutting that journey in half, actually, effectively. Then the third way you build experience is to take advantage when you can of reliving the trades of other fellow traders, even the bad ones, okay? So anytime you see the full footsteps that another trader made in their trading, you can absorb their experience into yours. And it doesn't matter if the trade is good, if they handled it sloppy, if they were stupid, if they were smart and made a fortune. It doesn't matter. It's just assuming the experience from the trade, but you have to know each of those steps. So that's not the easiest way because a lot of times you don't really know what another trader did. But when you can absorb that trader. This is what we do in the mentorship group, right? And every trader is absorbing the other trader's trades as we go over every detail into their own experience, okay? And that's the third way. Now, the fourth way is to do what we're doing on Twitter right now, which is go back in time with stocks in your family or whatever, or even outside of your family, it's fine. And just find your plays. Like, all right, this play would fall under or 180, and now do the trade. Enter 2 lots. Stop below the low. All right. Okay. I know move to new high. Take 1 lot off. Okay. Stop marches through time. Clears time by 1 lot. Just stop to that bar. You see what I'm saying? And then here, start bar by bar trail and just go over the trade as if you did it. And do these 4 things, and man, your progress, your seasoning, your development will be so much more rapid and deep. It'll be very deep. All right. and it's important. And going back and looking at trades that you didn't take but could have taken is powerful for other reasons as well. Like you start to build such a huge confidence in certain plays. Like, wow, this full 180 off the 200 worked so big. And so the next time you see that, you will be more confident taking that, you know?